The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning. This is a text message for all West Virginia until 11:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a text message. This is a practice tornado warning issued to initiate the West Virginia statewide tornado drill. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. The National Weather Service of the West Virginia Division of Homeland Security and Emergency Management encourage you to use this time to either activate or review your severe weather safety plan. This is a text message. Locations include all cities and counties in West Virginia. When a tornado warning is issued, a tornado has either been spotted or detected by National Weather Service Doppler radar. When a tornado warning is issued, get to the base of the interior